You guys, for the first time, I'm looking like a normal human being in Tabali. Anyways, today is what? Thursday after Valentine, right? That was Tuesday. Today's Thursday, and today will be my first time cooking. Yeah, since I came to Tabali. They brought me food from home, so I'll be eating that. Yeah, and I feel like taking rice. They didn't cook rice from home, so today I'll prepare rice. My pot are still there. I want to unbox my pot before I use it, so it's still there. I don't know if I should do it right now, but I'm not eating. I don't know. What do I do? Maybe let me just sit down, unbox it right now, then I use it to cook. Because I don't know. Let's see. In a way, I'm going to prepare rice today, and yeah, come along with me. It's been a while. Sam is here. So we are going to unbox from that big. This is the first one we are going to unbox. Let's open and see what we have here. My mom gave me this one in particular. Yeah, that's all. So we have this pot. It's so pretty. Can you guys see? So this is the lid, the pot lid, and yeah, see. Can you guys see? Yeah, it's really pretty. You can tell, right? And then we have this manual here. What, blah blah blah. And then this is the pot. Oh, I got a card. Live small high quality. What. I don't know what card is this, but yeah. So I have this pot. I don't know what to like cook here. Maybe stew. I don't know. Or rice. It's big. See the size. So this is pot number 1. Let's go to the next one. Woo! So this is the second pot. It's very huge. Can you guys see? Very huge compared to the first one. So let's see what we have here. Oh, I thought I brought a small pot. I didn't bring any small pot. This is too big, and this is also very big, very big. And my mom gave me this one as well. It's, I think, live small high quality non-stick anti-adherent. Yes, that's the name. Flame design. What. That's it. So this is the pot we have here. It's really big. See the base? Can you guys see? And then we have here and we have here. It's really big. I want to be cooking jollof inside, like for a lot. Yeah, like a lot of jollof. Let's unbox. So happy. I'm still recovering, you guys. So if the joy is not there that much, know that I'm still recovering. I'll get back to the usual for now. Just take it that way, okay? Yeah. So we have this very big, very big. Ooh, see the lid. It's so nice. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but then, and the color is like violet and red. I don't know why. I don't know. It's really pretty. Oh, mommy, thank you. And this is the pot. Woo! I don't know how will I wash this. Are things not going to? I don't know. I don't know, but then, or you remove it. You don't remove it here. I don't know how I'm going to wash it when I use it, but then anyway, this is the pot non-stick. Really beautiful. Yeah, I don't know which one would I cook the rice in. I thought I bought 3. It's left with 1, the smaller one, but I didn't bring the smaller version, so I don't have a small pot now. Anyway, so this will be like jollof, wache, and those things. And then I brought other pots for banku. I'll bring that one for you guys to see. Then we have this one for stew. Very pretty, very pretty. I don't even want to use it. Yeah. So let's go to the next one. Woo! This is the next curtain. It's so huge. Oh my god. So we are going to use the small cutter to, open it. Let me show you guys whilst I'm opening it. Can you guys see? Woo! So now let me show you. The first thing we have here is an iron, one little cute iron. Yeah, this is my iron, you guys. And then we move on to my frying pan, also non-stick, right? Yeah, this is my frying pan. Very cute. Yeah, I like fried yam, so I'm frying yam every day. This is for frying yam. And then I have a kettle, the normal usual kettle, nothing fancy. Yeah. Oh, a lot of curtains. And then I got a mouse. When? I don't remember. Anyway. And then a multi-socket, a little multi-socket. Can you guys see? I didn't even know I bought that. And then 2 pegs. And then, what do we have next? We have this huge, a blender. We have a blender nest. Yeah. Let's open it. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 2 inside. There are 2 inside, and then we have this, I think, for blending as well. I don't know why I bought this one. I don't like to be blending and be working. If I plug it, it should blend on its own, but I guess I'll have to also do some of the work. Yeah. And then the manual and the motor, very huge. You guys, I'm not here to spoil any brand, but then I've been seeing Silvercrest, so I also went to buy Silvercrest. The man said I shouldn't have bought it, that she doesn't like it, but I bought it already. So yeah. So this is the motor, very huge, very huge. Yeah. So this is my blender, and then the last thing for this video, I think, so this is a multifunctional electric what pan. So I wanted a rice cooker, right? And then the guy was like, we have a multifunctional electric pan that is more better than the rice cooker. That the rice cooker you are limited, but this one you are not limited, and some plenty things. I'm like, okay, if you say so. So I got this one. Yeah, I forgot the receipt, so I don't remember the prices, but this was around 300 and something. I think 380. The blender 350, I guess. The kettle 90 cedis. The iron 200 and something. and I don't know, I forgot it, sorry. Yeah, so so much dust. Ew. Should we open it? Okay, let me open it since it's unboxing video. Woo! Yay! Oh my god! Wow! You guys are not ready to see it. So first of all, let me show you guys the lid. This is the lid. Yeah. And then we have a ladle. And we have the plug. When I was buying it, you know what the guy said? That, you know, we have to fix it. The handle is not even there. You have to fix the handle and all that things. So he was like, when I go to school, my boyfriend will fix that. So that's the work of a boyfriend in your life, to fix all the things you have. And I said, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm now going to the school. Like, I'm now going. My boyfriend is not following me. I don't know. I don't have a boyfriend on campus. So what do I do? He said that you'll get one. So I guess I'll have to find a boyfriend to come and fix my things for me. That's rubbish. Anyway. And yeah, so this is the tool handles. Yeah, I don't like doing this work, so he's actually making a little sense. Yeah, which guy will come and fix it for me? I have to find a guy. Yeah, and this is the pot. Yeah, I don't know. When I was done buying it, I regretted. I wanted just the rice cooker, just the normal rice cooker, simple. Now this one, I don't know. I don't like it again. But I bought it already, right? This where you put this one. You insert it here and then you plug it. Yeah. So that's how you use it. And so yeah. Tamale that they take light very often. Imagine you are cooking and they take the lights. What will you do? Eh? Oh, assemble. This thing's just a waste, I guess. Oh. Maybe I'll have a use for it. Anyway, that should be all for the video. For the microwave, I've opened it already. For which other electrical appliance do I have? Microwave and the fridge, so I've unboxed it already. And then I think that's all. Let me show you guys my kitchen. I'll do a video of a room tour. Then I'll show you guys how my room looks like with the kitchen and everything. So for now, this is all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it's been long I've done this. I've literally forgotten everything. So sorry, you guys. Yeah, just do all the good stuff you do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye. I have to go and cook my rice. I'm hungry. Bye.